in accordance with the agreement for establishment of Jordan Pakistan Joint Ministerial Commission signed by the two governments in 1975, the ninth session of the Jordan Pakistan Joint Ministerial Commission was held on April 29, 2015 in Amman. Minister of Commerce, Islamic Republic of Pakistan headed the Pakistan delegation. Full stop. The Jordanian delegation was headed by Minister of Industry, Trade and Supply, Hashemite Kingdom of Jordan, and Minister of Commerce, Islamic Republic of Pakistan headed the Pakistan delegation. Full stop. The composition of Pakistani and Jordanian delegations herein after referred to as sides is at Annex 1 and Annex 2 respectively. Full stop. The working session of the 9th JMC took place in an atmosphere of cordiality and friendship, reflecting close ties between the two countries, focusing on the measures to explore cooperation in the fields of bilateral trade, agriculture, investment, education, science and technology, industry and petroleum and natural resources. Full stop. During his stay in Amman, Minister for Commerce called on Prime Minister of the Kingdom of Jordan, Minister of Industry, Trade and Supply of Kingdom of Jordan, President of Jordan Chamber of Commerce and President of Amman Chamber of Commerce, and discussed wide-ranging issues of mutual interest. Full stop. During the session, 4 memorandum of understanding agreements were signed in the fields of trade, investment, standards and metrology and ports and shipping. Full stop. A list of MOUs agreements is placed at Annex 3. Both delegations thoroughly discussed issues in bilateral trade relations, and after extensive discussions on various issues, agreed on the mutual agenda of 9th session and proceeded for deliberations of 9th session detailed as under, and agreed on the following points. First up, the two sides reviewed existing bilateral commercial and economic relations. First up, they noted that the volume of trade between the two countries had increased. First up, nevertheless, both sides acknowledged that the present volume of bilateral trade is far below the potential of the two countries, and stressed the need for measures to enhance trade relations. First up, they also recognized the need to diversify the basket of goods trade. First up, Pakistan side offered the export of non-traditional goods, furniture, handicrafts, carpets, surgical equipment, leather, pharmaceutical products which are cost effective for Jordan, full stop.